today I'll be showing you guys how you can make this super aesthetic iPad. So just ignore this game page. I just didn't want to make my games look aesthetic or else it will confuse me. Make the general aesthetic. So what you want to do is let me see. You gotta go to App Store. So you will want to get Widgetsmith first. I'm going to teach you guys how to do these widgets first. So then if you guys have Pinterest, that would actually help a lot for like some ideas and stuff. So then you go to you choose the photos that you like and take a screenshot of all of them. Then you go to Widgetsmith, click inside, and there are small widgets and medium widgets, large widgets, and extra large widgets. So you can pick any size you want, and I'm going to do a small widget. Then you will do photo. You can select photos. So pretend I do this one. You can pick what you can zoom in if you want. I'm gonna zoom in with this cute little flower. You can choose your own aesthetic or themes, which I think is really cute. I'm gonna do this powder one, and you can also add if you want like the photo, like if you want the date beside your photo or something, but I'll just leave it like this. So you want to save it. Then you will want to just press and hold, and you want to click this plus sign, and then you would want to go to Widgetsmith. You got to scroll down, or you can just find it. It's here. And I did a small one, right? So you can add a widget, and usually you can also change the widgets when you did like a lot of widgets. You can rename them so you can remember what widgets you did. Then you can click on that to change all of the widgets, which is I think is super cool. So yeah. So I hope this video helped. And over here you can also edit the stack. Like you can also delete some widgets that you don't like, which I think is super cool. So I'm just gonna change this. I'm gonna add a small one here. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So yeah. So I think this is a super cool idea. And then if you guys want to change your app icons, there are two ways to do this. So the first way is to go to shortcuts. Where did shortcut go? Where did my shortcut go? So then you want to click in shortcuts and go to all shortcuts. Select add, and then over here there's like add actions, and over here you want to go to scripting. Just click scripting. You can also search if you want, but I can only find it here. So click on scripting, click on open app, press the app button, and you can pick any app you want. So pretend I do CapCut. No, wait, pretend I do photos again, even though I did photos, but I'm just going to show you guys. So photos. No, wait. There we go. And you got to click done. Then you want to hold, so you can see the photo over here. You want to hold it and click details. Add to home screen, and you can pick any. It's like a choose photo. So you have to pick photos. So pretend the photo, I did this one. You can use this, and you can rename it. and you can click add, and then your photos down here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because I have one already. Or you can use an app to do this, but this is a longer version of this. So then you gotta download this app called Color Widgets, and then you will want to go to icons. You can also use these widgets if you want in Color Widgets, but you can also have these app icons. So there are different app icons you can pick. So pretend I did blue. So then after that you can save pack. You have to click save pack, and you can choose what apps you want to make into that color. And then you gotta click install for icons, and you gotta watch an ad, the 30 seconds ad. You want to click install the icons. Then after that you gotta click allow, and then you want to go to settings, and then go to generals, and then go to VPN and device management, and there would be a sign where you got to install custom icons. And then when you finish installing, you will have your app icons. So I'm going to show you guys where you can find aesthetic backgrounds. So you will want to download an app called Top Widgets, and then you gotta go to Wallpapers. You can choose like different wallpapers and stuff, which I think is super aesthetic. And that you can choose what styles you like. And I think the painting section is really, really cute. I found this background I have, and this background in paintings, and I think it's super cute, and it's really quick. You can save the picture, and from settings you can just change your background. So yeah, anyways, I hope this video helped you guys to make your iPad more aesthetic. So yeah.